The Skytop Lounge cars of the Chicago, Milwaukee, St. Paul, and Pacific Railroad, better known as the Milwaukee Road, stand among the most distinctive passenger cars ever built in the United States. Introduced in 1948, these cars represented the final evolution of the Milwaukee Road's long tradition of streamlined luxury trains that began with the Hiawatha service in the 1930s. Designed by renowned industrial designer Brooks Stevens, the Skytop Lounges embodied post-war optimism, modern engineering, and elegant comfort. The Skytop design marked a striking departure from the earlier beaver-tail observation cars. Nearly 90% of the rear section was glass, forming a panoramic solarium that gave passengers sweeping views of the landscape. The four-parlor lounge cars built in the Milwaukee Road's own shops featured 12 seats in the observation area, 24 interior lounge seats, and a 4-seat drawing room. 6 sleeper lounge cars, constructed by Pullman Standard, combined this distinctive design with overnight accommodations, including 8 double bedrooms. The parlor lounge Skytops entered service on May 29, 1948, on the morning and afternoon Hiawatha trains between Chicago and the Twin Cities. The sleeper lounge versions were used on the long-distance Olympian Hiawatha, which connected Chicago with Tacoma, Washington. These cars became famous for their futuristic styling and the unparalleled comfort they provided. The Milwaukee Road promoted them as the finishing touch to a perfect train. Despite their iconic design, Skytop service declined with the fall of passenger rail travel in the United States. The Olympian Hiawatha was discontinued in 1961, and the 6 sleeper lounges were sold in 1964 to the Canadian National Railway, where they were renamed Skyview cars and operated until 1977. The parlor lounge cars continued on the Milwaukee Road until 1970, when the afternoon Hiawatha made its final run. Several Skytops survive today. The Cedar Rapids operates in excursion service with Friends of the 261, while the Del Rapids is displayed at the Museum of Arts and Sciences in Daytona Beach, Florida. Others, like Coffee Creek, have undergone restoration. The Skytop Lounge remains a symbol of American railroading's golden age, an enduring blend of art, innovation, and speed that continues to fascinate rail enthusiasts worldwide.